Rere murimu wa COVID-19 ucokete bururi-ini na mururumo wa keri, kaunti ya Narok nditigitwo na thutha hari kurwa na murimu uyu kuona thibitari wa Ororunga ni wamukirite uteithio wa mashini cia kurwa na murimu uyu oro hamwe na matonyo mangi.
Katika isolation center ya kaunti ya Narok for the COVID-19 management ambaye iko Ololunga, tuliweza kama ofisi yangu reorganize our plans, our budgets, tukapea priority measures za kuweza kukumbana na hii pandemic ya corona, na kwa siku ya leo tumeweza kuleta vifaa tofauti. Kuna viti ambavyo vinatumika na wagonjwa, mahali ya kupumzika. Tuko na water dispensers.
Thibitari wa mukirite uteithio kuma kuri kigena kiria kianitwo ni thirikari nene, kuria murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti ino atugiritie thirikari ya kaunti ino ni gwaka thibitari uyu.
Kama mbunge wa hii kaunti, nimefurahia sana zile efforts ambazo county government wameweka. Within a very short time they have been able to put up a very big facility to take in 300 capacity facility ya kuweza isolate na manage patients wa COVID-19.
Oho, nirire ikaria kaunti no ni kuri kigena gikuhuthika hari mihango ya githomo na makanitha niguo gutigirira murimo wa COVID-19 ndunatherema kaunti-ini ino.
And I wish also to just assure the county government that my office is committed to prioritize measures that are required to make sure that the residents of Narok County can, as much as possible, we can manage COVID so that we don't lose more lives.
Murugamiri wa mihango ya ugima wa mwiri mwena uyu Morgan Siloma augite ni agutigira thibitari wa guthaitira arwaru wa COVID-19 wa Ororunga ni ukwamukira indo ciothe cibataranitie hari kurwa na murimu uyu.
To rearrange her budgets and her funds to ensure that they fit into what this facility requires. But really, we want to thank the women rep. What we want is that if there are other opportunities to further contribute, we'll welcome and still consult us on what is really required.
Girvotera Mount Kenya TV, Jitagwo Wahu, Waburu.